All right, we are in Regency Towers, this is called. I love this awesome old lobby. Just get a look at this. How neat. Anyway, we've got some Westinghouse elevators here. Whoa! Looks like the photo dials work still. Westinghouse. Oh, they slapped it on. They put a slap-on mod. Interesting what they did with the button here. They have it on like this wood back plate. Fan motor you can hear. It's kind of loud. I don't know why, I always thought that was kind of a relaxing sound though. Bit of a jolty stop. These are definitely original logic, I'd say. Yeah, these are definitely original Westinghouse logic. Oh. Watch the roto dials. Pretty neat. I think this one just stuck on 4. Oh no, it's at the 6th floor one. Must not be working. Anyway, that will be it.